I don't know how to explain.
Just go through the steps you do. Like,
Yeah.
Okay.
I start
Okay.
with the head, or I start with the gut. You start from the neck to then to the butt. Open it up.
Yeah. But I guess
okay to be funny.
I guess if like the kid was asking why, so maybe I should ask questions like the kid. And that looks like a silver.
I hope it's got eggs.
Yeah.
I'm going for the eggs, not the body.
How can you tell if there's eggs?
Maybe this kind.
Yeah, the snout.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the other one,
The
dark
sharper.
salmon, sharper, and they got eggs.
Yeah.
And I don't know if this one's got eggs, so.
That one looks weird. Like I can't really tell what kind of. If
I'll
that's,
take the guts off first.
it's got a chum head, but it has like a silver
Oh
body.
Lord, I hope it's got eggs. Please. No, nothing. Can we throw it away?
You know better.
I like this kind. What they call this kind?
The heart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're yummy
Yeah.
with the eggs.
I usually fry them up.
Some of the people, natives, they eat this kind for soup or stuff. This one's this kind. You know, hard part. They eat those kind. Some of them.
They put it in the soup.
Some of the people eat this kind too, fried.
Yeah. The livers.
Yeah, this kind. I don't know what they call this, Albert.
I don't know either.
They eat them, fried.
Yeah.
They're good with frying. I don't know what I should do. If I want to make what they call those take the tail. This one out, so it will come with the bone. Half dry.
Tomato.
Yeah, gamahluk.
Up over they say ichamaklu. I think.
They say what?
Ichamaklu.
Gamahluk. There's different ways of saying. Head part, sometimes we gotta hit the spot. So and your knife gotta be sharp. Or your ulok.
Oh, that's a chum.
Chum?
Yeah. Yeah, the other side looked like it was a silver. I was like, wait a second.
I like them dark salmon though. They got eggs, fish eggs. It'll be better if we're standing up. If I'm standing up.
Yeah.
I also want it to be perfect, but when somebody's watching, I get nervous.
Well, those are good.
And I heard some of the reds, they're good for. Pat Wang, they always make some kind of.
The The salmon looks good. Looks really rich or really red.
But some of the people, they wait one day so it'll get nice, be nice and hard or something.
Yeah,
This one's kind of soft.
yeah.
And some people use gunny sack
Mm-hmm.
for
The burlap.
Yeah. they're more better. Oh, I remember that lady that we went fish camels?
Mm-hmm.
She also go like this and just get soft.
On cardboard?
Yeah,
Really? Oh.
yeah. Or Matilda told me, pack up the cup, do that.
Yeah.
See?
Mm-hmm.
I like to do my throat. I have skin nerves too when somebody's watching. These bones, we could hang them too.
Mm-hmm.
They're good for bokok.
Dried?
Yeah, even half dry.
Mm-hmm.
So cut them like this and you put string it.
I like that method with the fin. I've never done that before.
Huh?
Yeah. That was really cool.
This is how we hang bones like this. We make so after we tie it over here.
Mm-hmm.
What's that words? No. Hey. Oh no, look at my thing really.
Mm-hmm.
I could lost.
Yeah.
Sorry,
It's okay.
you're too close. I'm gonna cut off how I remember how What my mom used to do. How she used to do.
Mm-hmm. Looks getting duller.
Hmm?
It's getting duller.
Because I didn't press hard.
Yeah. Oh. How come you don't press hard?
I might do the skin, tear up the skin.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Try not to tear up the skin. My dad used to like how I cut my fish. This is where I learned from my mom and dad
Mm.
when I was growing in a camp
Where was that?
between Mountain Village and Imanak.
Mm. You guys get big fish up there, huh?
Yeah, some are big, some are small. Mostly the kings. I don't know how the else do this because I don't know how. So after you cut it, you stretch it like this. So
Mm.
it'll be like this. Cool.
Mm-hmm.
My first since long time. Cool. So you could tell that I stretch it.
Mm-hmm.
Don't let me smash you. Cool. Now. Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Right on. I'm still expert. Now I could dry it outside afterwards. I don't know, I could do the pike, maybe I'll freeze it and somebody might want to make akura.
Yeah.
These are good for akura.
Yep.
These ones. These are good for akura. I think I'll just leave it. Gee, too bad no physics. I was going to go manaki tonight. Depends on my fisherman.
Mm.
Polly. So I could sort of, if we had dogs, we would have give it to the dog after we cook it. Okay, I'm done.
Johanna.
It's Guyana.